Hello guys, I'm gonna to review this Craftsman vacuum, cordless vacuum today, and it's a red box. I like it.
Really?
And let's get started. So let's open it. It's vacuum itself, and another thing here is instruction manual. Okay, who reads this?
Smart move!
Empty. Let's see. I like that nice piece of plastic, and let's open it and see what's inside. So, hose is inside. Let's start the filter. It's HEPA filter. I'm pretty sure it's washable. Let's put it back. Let's assemble all together. This is a white nozzle. This is a crevice nozzle. I like that all nozzles are on board. It's hose. It's very flexible. I like it. I will show you dimensions a little bit later. This is intake and this is exhaust. And I like how connection is made. It's not frictional type, it's just can be easily inserted, and you need to turn it clockwise a little bit, and hose is secure and easily detachable, but hold well. I like that all pieces can be stored on board when you're not using your vacuum. Hose also can be placed right like this. So nice. Wow. Test. Okay. It works. Now we're gonna test how these suckers suck water. Okay. We're gonna test. Okay. Okay, we forgot to take off this filter. Guys, you should take off this filter when you're working with water. done.